Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Leah Toshia. Welcome. And in today's video, we're gonna be trying out a new hair tool. So if you're not familiar with my channel, if this is your first time here, I do a lot of beauty reviews from makeup, skincare to hair care, clothing hauls, try on hauls, just all the things really, all the beauty lifestyle things that I love. And if you haven't watched my last hair review video, definitely go watch that. I tried out the Revlon blow dryer brush. That's actually what I used on my hair to get it blown out like this, and in that video you'll see the state of my natural hair and how it looks. So definitely go watch that video. But like I said, today we're gonna be trying a new hair tool, and you could probably tell by the title, but we are trying this crimper right here. I know that there's a bunch of different brands of this product, but this one I actually just bought on Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below. This one is by the brand called Allure. Not sure if you've heard of it. I had never heard of it before, but again, I found it on Amazon. It had pretty good reviews, so I went ahead and purchased it there. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how this will work on my hair, and I'll explain that in just a little bit. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Follow your girl on Instagram, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I went ahead and prepped my hair already. If you're an OG, you know that I always use the Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Heat Protectant Spray. This is what it looks like. This is my favorite one, my holy grail, my ride or die heat protectant. And trust me, girl, I have tried so many heat protectants and I'm so picky about how it makes my hair feel, but I love this one. And then I just brushed it through with my wet brush. So like I said, I did order this on Amazon, and this particular one does have heat settings. So it's not just a one heat setting like on and off. It is a heat setting where you can choose the temperature, but this one is in Celsius, so I'm setting it at 150. I had to look it up, but it's about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is usually what I have my flat iron set to. I don't usually go above that ever. But before we get started, I just wanted to talk a little bit about my hair type and kind of how my hair is. If you're new to my channel and you haven't watched my previous hair videos, I'm gonna do it really quick, but this is not my natural hair texture, I guess is the right word. Is that the right word? This is not my normal hair state. Okay, my hair is big, frizzy, curly slash wavy, and it is extremely coarse and extremely thick. So it's kind of wiry in a sense. I'm curious of how this is gonna work because my hair is pretty obedient in the sense that if I straighten it, it's not gonna curl after that. And then if I curl it, it's not gonna straighten after that unless I rewash it. So my hair is not flat ironed. I just blow dried it straight. So I don't think it will be as stubborn trying to now wave it with the waver. But I did wanna test out the waver on my hair in this state because this is how I will use it if I do like it and it works. This is how I would use it. I wouldn't typically just go from my natural state to this tool, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm excited to see how it works. I'm sure you guys have seen this tool literally everywhere, and you've seen every influencer having this mermaid wave style. My hair is very, like I said, it's very obedient, so it's gonna do what you want it to do, in the sense that if I were to like spiral curl my hair, it's not like other girls' hair where the curl is gonna fall. She's not gonna fall. Okay, she's gonna stay that curly the whole time. It's almost too obedient, if you know what I mean. So, because I see a lot of girls use tools like this or curl their hair, and it looks nice because it kind of falls and looks more like they didn't try that hard, and kind of just like a easy, like, oh, I just did this really quick, and it looks so good. But my hair, I have a feeling that if I do my whole head with this crimper, I'm not gonna look like a mermaid beachy goddess like these girls do on social media. I'm gonna look like I just walked out of an 80s themed party. So we about to see, oh, I didn't bring a hair clip. Let me go grab a hair clip so I can section off my hair, and then we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is section off my hair, but I usually section it like this. Whenever I curl or straighten my hair, I just do it in half, and then I do the top section in smaller sections. Okay, so like I said, I have it set to 150 Celsius. That's kind of freaking hot. I might lower it a bit. I don't like to put my heat tools on very high heat. I know a lot of people like crank that bitch all the way up. I don't like to do that because it's damaging to your hair, and my hair is bleached and I don't want to add any more damage to it. But let's just try her out. I'm gonna start with the underneath piece because that's what I would typically do. I'm kind of nervous. And then I don't really know how long to hold it, but I don't want to hold it too long because I don't want to damage my hair. Also, I guess if you were to hold it longer, it would be more crimped versus if you don't hold it as long, it'll be a little bit looser. And since I told y'all that my hair does hold a curl and hold manipulation to the hair very well, I don't want to hold it too long. So that's what the first piece looks like. I don't know, guys. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm not doing this on clean hair. My hair is like 8 days dirty right now, so this is what it's looking like so far. I mean, it's pretty. I'm just curious to see how it's gonna look once my whole head is like this and the top part of my hair is like this, because the top part of my hair is a lot shorter. I'm curious about how that's gonna work. So I'm taking kind of large pieces and then I am holding it for probably like between 5 to 10 seconds for each little section. Probably closer to 5 seconds, only because my lack of patience. Okay, so this is what it's looking like after the first section. You can really see the difference here and it looks really pretty so far. I'm just really curious how it's gonna look when my whole head is like this, and if it's gonna be like really big and look crazy, or if it's gonna look really pretty how I see everyone else's look when they do it. I'm not sure, I'm kind of skeptical, but I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm just gonna fast forward through the rest of the hair until we get to the last couple pieces because it is just a repetitive step and I don't wanna bore you guys. So let's just keep going and we will reconvene when we're almost done.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it.
Okay, so as you can tell, I'm almost done. I just have this little bit left to do, which I wanted to do on camera with you guys, because honestly, I don't hate the way it looks right now, but the top pieces are always the deciding factor on like if the whole look comes together or if the whole look falls apart. So right now, I like it. I think it's really cute. I really didn't know if I was gonna like it or not. When the crimpers first came back on the scene, because if you're old enough, crimpers were a thing before too, except they were a lot tighter, small crimps. And like, in my opinion, it was not the move. It was not cute. And so when these started popping back up, I was like, oh God, here we go again. But since it's so much bigger and the crimps are more like waves versus crimps, it is a lot prettier. I think it's not so childish looking like it did look once before. I think it's cute. I think it's pretty. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not hating on dark hair, because if you know, I've had dark hair my whole life and I just recently got this light of hair, but I love the way it looks because my hair is light and there's dimension and there's different shades, there's dark, light, and all in between up in my hair right now, so you can really see throughout the waves. But I feel like if my hair was jet black how it used to be, I don't know that it'd be as cute on me. I'm sure a lot of black-haired beauties out there can rock this crimped look. I think on me though, I personally like that I have lightened pieces, because then you can really see all that's going on, you know? But let's go ahead and do these last few pieces here. And I do usually do a middle part, so I'm just gonna do that. Honestly, it's been pretty quick and easy. I do get a little bit tired of holding this. I'm not gonna lie, I get like bored holding it. Like usually when I'm curling my hair with a flat iron or straightening it, it's just, you're always moving it so it doesn't feel like your arms are getting tired or anything, or that it's taking a while because it's quick and you're constantly moving the hair tool. But with this, you do have to hold it in place, so I get a little antsy. These are the pieces I'm afraid of because it might look really not cute to have your front pieces crimped like this. I mean, I don't know how I feel about it. I need to zhuzh it and things. I mean, it's not as big as I thought it'd be. I thought my hair would be literally out to here after I did this because that's how she tends to like to do things unless she's straightened or blown out. Okay, so this is the finished look. I don't hate it at all. I kind of like it better with my hair tucked behind one ear as opposed to all of it just like all up in my face like that. But I think it's really cute. Here's the back. Let me show y'all what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I actually think it's really cute like this. It gives me less of a 1980s themed party and gives me more Shakira beachy mermaid vibes. Curious to see how this would work on shorter hair. If you have shorter hair and you've used this, comment down below because I'd love to see how it looks on shorter hair. I've only seen it really on social media on long hair or on extensions. But yeah, this is the finished look. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you like this look or if you think it's just a little much. Like, everyone's style is different. For me, it was a win. I totally approved this. I think it worked really well. It's quick, it's easy, it wasn't very expensive. So yeah, again, I'll have it linked down below, but that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy and comment down below. Follow your girl on Instagram and always, of course, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Kinda new with apologies.